like the art of war. How I study phases of evolution. Conquer and divide was achieved, but first they caused confusion. Couldn't picture me ever losing and nothing moving, bleeding. Breathing with his eyes closed, see you snoozing. It was vision that I wanted when I was blind. Ezekiel brought me back from the valley, my bones were dried, I survived. When death was certain, I was alive. In the midst of dead men, I stood and opened my eyes. Then I proceed to speak. How could war be necessary in order to bring peace? In these streets when it's beef, the only way I can sleep is when my enemies is underneath my feet, obsolete. So I stay awake, and I promise to never break. I'm flexible like contortionist, path forward was hate. Niggas scheming, taking rations and portions right off your plate. Just to watch you starve to death, and his heart was a deeper hate.